Here's a interesting future prediction for you. Supposedly there are companies that are currently working on a cortisol test, because fish actually release cortisol into the water, and the cortisol which is released into the water due to stress encourages the other fish to be stressed and suppresses the immune system, encourages the fight or flight system and respiration system, and causes all sorts of trouble. So if they are able to create a cortisol test, as companies suggest that they are going to be able to do, and a cortisol test becomes commonly available, then we can actually get a reading of the stress that are in the fish, which means you could come to a facility like this, you could actually test the water, and you could actually find out how stressed the fish are, and that would help to make a decision on your purchase. You would be able to see how well the facility looked after their fish. And if a facility like Majestic Aquariums had a cortisol test, we would be able to make more accurate decisions on our fish keeping routine, because we would be able to test the cortisol in the water, and we would be able to get a further idea of the stress that's going into the fish. Because as we know, fish put all of their energy into trying to look good, because they try not to look stressed and vulnerable. Otherwise it does draw attention from predators and make them more likely to be attacked. And if they can trick each other into thinking they're okay, they can definitely trick us into thinking they're okay. And having a cortisol test would be pretty awesome, and it would be another string in our bow to be able to provide good quality, low stressed fish. Interesting. Tell us what you think.